morning. At the time of recording this, I have 347 YouTube subscribers. When I reach 500 YouTube subscribers, I will be giving away a camera. The camera I will be giving away is this Olympus Trip 300 point-and-shoot camera. It has a 34mm f5.6 lens and is suitable for DX-coated film, so you don't have to worry about ISO. Number one, you gotta be subscribed to my channel. And number two, you gotta be located in the US or Canada. I cannot ship this camera internationally at this point. My funds do not quite allow it. So Canada and I guess Mexico are probably the only two countries other than the United States that I will be able to ship this to. In order to be eligible for this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel and you must leave a comment on this video. If you do not leave a comment on this video, assume that you won't be getting this camera. But I've been wanting to give away a camera for a while now. I have been talking about it for probably close to 6 months, maybe even a year. And I've been waiting for the right camera to give away, and I really think that this is the right one. It is super user-friendly. It's as easy as opening the little clamshell device and pressing the button, and you have made a photo. This camera in a private market typically sells for the, call it $50 to $75 range, and I would rather see it go to somebody who's going to get some use out of it. So, that being said, I think it is time that we make our way out for the day. It's about 8:45 on Sunday morning, and I need some coffee, and I think we're going to get some thrifting done today. And I think we're going to take a ride to Massachusetts and make the most of the nicer weather that we are having and check out some spots that we haven't been to before. So let's get moving. All right, we got our gas station coffee. Got a little bit later of a start than I had wanted to for the day, but I think we're gonna head to Mansfield Flea Market, or the flea market at the drive-in. We've been here before, didn't have much luck last time. I saw a crossbow last time, like a very small one. I almost bought it. I probably should have. But let's get on the road, enjoy some coffee, and enjoy this beautiful weather, and head to Mansfield. Cheers. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
$3, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Mansfield Flea Market. Let's do the damn thing. All right. I haven't been here for a little while now. And the last time that I came, it was kind of garbage, but it started to rain.
I got you. I don't charge 10 cents.
It's pretty cool.
The signs are marked 28. I'll take $20 today. Probably from the 70s, most of them. They're embossed. They're not from nowhere.
Yeah.
I gotta be careful what I say around here. These ones are half price.
Is it half price today?
Yep. There are. Rear days are marked usually 28. I'm gonna take $20 today. Already sold. The old one's nice. Budweiser, not a Bud Light. Prior to the Bud Light era.
grab these two for 10.
Okay, what do we have here?
The
We have
transparent
10.
Argus.
10 and 10. No, it's $10.
Your change.
Yeah, I can give you change.
Thank you much.
$10 bill.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Did you buy cameras from me before?
I don't think I have, no.
Okay. Look familiar. Well,
I might have, perhaps. I have a lot of cameras. Thank you much. Honestly, I just kind of wanted this one because it was transparent.
Yeah, some classics. They all work. Now remember, all the cameras today are 20% off. So if you see a blue tag on it, it's 20% off.
Wonderful, thank you.
Yeah, all the digitals work except for the one that I checked.
Yeah.
This one, the screen won't light up. Okay? And this one, there's a charger for it there if you
Okay.
want to buy a separate charger. And there's another one similar to it right here. It's in nice shape. Awesome. These are nice because
Yeah, the cyber shots were nice. Zeiss optics.
this one's heard it. You go on. That one's still charged.
Yep.
Yeah, it's always nice. Yeah, but they're all working. So
Cool. Appreciate it, man.
take your time. Most of the parts over here are $1 to $3. So if you see something you like, just
Cool.
let me know. Okay.
Appreciate it. Oh, Lord.
I know it's cool, huh?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome.
They're all 20% off. So if you see something you.
Oh, I love that. I love
Hey,
it.
the stands are pretty
I
cool.
do
Just
love it.
got
It's
them.
right on my wall.
Thanks, man. Have a good day.
Take care.
That's why. The dunk blows were a little convincing, but
I'll be right around here if you want.
That way we don't have to worry about it falling out.
Okay. Oh, wow, these are cool. Yeah, they're the real thing.
How much?
You know the price of them, right? They're brand new. They have no chips on them. So 60 for each one. If you want to deal on the three of them, I have many more.
Okay.
All right? You didn't recognize that?
Anything that's got a price on it will do better.
thank you. Apparently sales are down because they are hacking deals. It's fresh.
Oh, so that, yeah, it's gone. Yeah, another guy came and looked at it, and I was like, well, I'm pulling for the kid, $40. And the guy's like, okay, fair enough. I was like, all right. I said, I'll shoot him a price, he won't take it. I was like, yeah, I'll take it. Oh, okay. Fair enough, fair. You want this for the Bruce one? That? Put this in the Bruce one? It's free. Yeah, I don't know.
Back I go for more now.
That's a good one.
It's
All I sell is old.
I did do maize with it in the spring.
I wasn't here.
It wasn't necessarily this long. Some of it, I replenished it again. I did it in last Mansfield, but nobody showed up.
I couldn't make it. I couldn't make it that day.
I had about 5 or 6 jewelry deals in.
Get out there and do my buying.
Yeah, I know that.
How much on the jerseys?
Jerseys, I go like 50 each.
Would you do 10 on the Raptors jersey?
No, I gotta get 15 out of it.
All right.
Whose name is on that? Is that Kobe?
No, Camby. Yeah, Marcus Camby.
Canby Bryant? Sign?
I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, but it kind of means nothing without any certificate of authenticity.
I know where I got it. It's legit.
Fair enough.
$10 on it.
Should learn his name. Oh my god. No shortage of cameras here today, which has been good.
You get out of there?
Oh yeah.
Alright. I can spot you if you want. This poker set can be $5 if you want it.
Set on it. I just love the old cigarette insignia. Where there's binoculars, there's usually camera stuff. But I've been wrong before. I've also been right before. How's it going, man?
How are you?
Doing well. How much on this camera here?
10?
Could you do 5?
8?
I'm at 5, man. I don't even know if it works. Okay. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. That thing was caked in fungus.
Sure?
How much?
You want her to look at it
Yeah,
now?
I'll let her look at it.
Don't look at my throws, anything else now.
Not the throat.
No, you got
Not-
all the backpacks,
And not those,
all, everything that's there.
How you doing?
Not too bad, how are you, man? Is this your stuff?
Yeah.
How much on the walking stand hat?
$2 on the hats.
$2?
Yeah.
I could do $2 for that hat. Thank you, sir.
Well, not the pink ones. The pink ones are...
It's a sweet hat.
Oh,
I think it kind of goes without saying that that went a whole lot better than I had expected. Holy cow. Well, I bought some stuff. Most notably, I got another Nikon Teletouch point and shoot camera. I bought that little Argus transparent camera. And then we also got a Canon Snappy AF. As well as a really sweet vintage Watkins Glen hat. That I don't know, it was so cheap, I might just keep it. I didn't do any research on it to see how much it's worth, but I think it's a wicked cool hat. And for $2, I couldn't pass it up. So, I don't think we're done for the day. Let's head to Massachusetts and do some more thrifting. Let's keep this momentum rolling, baby. All right, we have made it to Yankee Flea Market. We are in Palmer, Massachusetts. We have crossed state lines. Let's go see what they're all about. I took some of the absolute tastiest back roads on the way here, and good Lord, it was awesome. Yeah, let's keep this momentum rolling today. Hello. I'm all right. How are you? Damn. Oh. What's the price on? $20. Yeah, okay. Keep finding cameras. The Uncle Wiggly game? Is that the creepy uncle game?
I don't know, is the Uncle the Rabbit?
Oh.
I think you need it. I mean, it's in a little disrepair, but... Oh my god, it's got the legs and everything.
Damn. Oh, sure. I think all of them are my size, but they're all the same price. And, well, mostly the same price. And they're like retail. Oh my god. You remember those dogs?
I definitely had one. I kind of had a Furby.
I definitely had a Furby too. It's so weird. Oh my god, the eyes change. Art Deco coloring. It's great. Oh my god. That's actually amazing.
It's only $25.
That's not even bad.
Says it needs a quarter.
This is MLB Authentic Collection. Why would Mickey Mouse be MLB branded? I feel like somebody just stuck that sticker on there. Big old Vivitar lens. It's M42. I think I have this lens at home. 85 to 205, 3.8.
Can't say
Who doesn't need that?
Who stole a sign in this house? Settling in.
Can't take me anywhere. Hold on. That's a giant Slim Jim Stein.
Oh my god.
Who doesn't need that for their collection? Oh, wow. Old Newport lighter.
Ooh.
If there's anything I've learned from going to thrift stores and flea markets and stuff, I need to find farmhouse stuff,
That's not antique.
NASCAR stuff, and fidget spinners.
I'll walk right by that.
Oh boy, how much? Sorry, Chris. Ooh, I had one of these.
Did you sell it?
Yep. Sure did. Good eye.
Thank you. Do you want a bag?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's mine.
Thank you.
Want a copy?
Do you want to go to, what is it?
Kev's Barnyard.
Kev's Barnyard.
We can do that.
Cool. You want me to meet you there?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Really good trip.
All right. So as you guys saw, Yankee Flea was a pretty cool spot. We found a lot of cameras, a lot of really weird or really cool nostalgic stuff. I did not end up buying anything though, and I think that that's that's not bad. As you guys saw, we met up with my friend Jen, who is joining us and being our Sherpa in Western Massachusetts thrifting for the day, and she's taking us to Kev's Barnyard Flea. Now this is a spot that's a little bit down the road from Palmer, and we are going to Granby, Massachusetts. This is my old stomping grounds from back when I used to live out here, and I'm excited to see what Kev's has in store for us, but I think that after we stop there, we're going to wrap it up for the day, and we'll go back home and review our purchases for the day. What is this place called?
Kev's Barnyard.
Okay.
I found a lot of cute little things here.
What's this? $12 isn't bad for this. Oh. A multifunction rotisserie? Who doesn't need that in their home? Ah, yes, a super cheap Yamashita. I will be surprised if it winds. Oh my god, it winds and fires.
Oh, jeez.
Bargain at $8. Do you need an ABBA 8-track?
I think I got a camera, but I'm not sure.
Hey, oh.
Oh, there's another one. I have one like that too.
This ain't that bad either. It's kind of cool.
Oh, this
Hey.
is better than the one that I have.
No fill in it, so it should fire.
Let's see if I can figure out what's wrong with
It works. That's cool. This is another little camera. Little 110.
Oh, that's film behind it too.
Yeah, Polaroid film. 600. That probably won't work these days.
Oh, it's so old.
Yeah. It's pretty sick. Oh, the vintage Dare hat. Dang. That's sick.
Look at that.
Country
Fairy.
people. Oh, man. It's actually kind of sick.
I like this one better.
Silver Palace. So many people steal ashtrays from casinos in Vegas.
Ready? This is also an
Oh
ashtray.
my god. That's actually excellent. It matches nothing in my home decor, but that's absolutely wonderful.
I have one that has like a little bean base like this that I picked up on the Buy Nothing page in Ludlow. It's a candle plate. I like the shape of it.
So many compasses? Compi? Is that the correct? I don't know. I didn't like what I just said though. Ooh. No battery though. Ooh. What have we here? Is that 75? That one's actually not bad. Ooh. Nerf and strike for the Wii.
Huh?
It's a 2.
Huh. Unbelievable. Only 2? Boy, I can't believe that.
I was like, oh my god, it has the grits, and I haven't seen a Scrabble board
Yeah,
like that
really.
in forever.
Interesting. Yeah, 213.
All right, we are home. Today is a new day. Yesterday was a wild success, if I must say so. Ended up scoring this wicked cool little Argus 520. It's a transparent plastic camera. I got this thing for $5. I didn't realize when I bought it that the film rewind knob was snapped off, but realistically speaking, I just wanted it as a shelf piece. So very happy with that camera there. So also ended up getting this Canon Snappy AF. It's a cool little camera. From what I can tell, it works. It certainly needs some batteries because it seems like it's struggling, but I also got this one for $5, so I really can't complain about that. The last one that I grabbed is probably my favorite grab of the day, and it is the Nikon Teletouch 300 autofocus. From what I can tell, this is in really, really good condition, but this is actually a duplicate for my collection, but these sell really well, especially with the date back. So that being said, also looks like it's in really good condition. DX coated, and the lens actually appears to be in pretty good shape. All of the light seals are also in great condition. So I may actually end up giving this one away down the line as well. But like I said earlier in the video, we are doing a giveaway for the Olympus Trip 300 camera here. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, be in the US or Canada or Mexico, I suppose, and leave a comment in the comment section of this video here. I will likely be posting a lot of these cameras for sale within the next couple of days on my eBay store, so I'll also leave a link in the description down below for that. But I really want to thank you guys for checking out my videos and leaving all of your comments. It's really cool to see how many of you guys are local and just happen to be within a pretty close distance to some of the spots that I check out. So happy thrifting. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Cheers.